So forget my face, you guys, but we're going in. I'm showing you how this is a glueless, undetectable lace for this unit from Asteria Hair. They sent me this 24-inch body wave wig. It is 200% density and the lace is phenomenal. This hair is really not that expensive either. I'll let y'all know what the price is towards the end of the video, but I had such an easy time installing this wig. There were no issues. And as you can see here, I'm just going in, doing the install before I go into curl the hair, and it will honestly look so pretty. I'm so excited for this and for y'all to see it. So stay tuned. And this is me curling the hair. Now again, this is 200% density, so this kind of took me a while to put all the curls in. And then I also went through and I did hairspray throughout the hair too, just so that everything kind of stayed more. And then you'll see towards the end, it kind of gives me like this more romantic wave. This curling iron goes up to 450 degrees, but again, this hair is also, there's a lot of it, so there's more weight to it. So it's not gonna give you that super tight curl unless you use like a different curling iron. I think this is the Hot Tools one, and probably a more strong hairspray. The one I was using, I don't think was that strong, but I really did like the look that this came out with afterwards. Alright guys, so I actually just finished blow drying, flat ironing, curling, doing the whole 9 yards with this unit from Asteria Hair. This is their unit that has their HD lace. This is actually 24 inches. I curled every single bit of it. This is what the wig comes in. It comes with their like cute little satchel that says Asteria Hair. I'm actually already wearing the HD cap on this wig, and it comes with their little headband to go ahead and lay down your edges. Also comes with lashes. Yeah, so I'm gonna say this is probably, I wasn't really expecting this lace from Asteria Hair. I think a lot more wig companies are starting to do more high quality lace in general, but I wasn't expecting it to be this undetectable, if that makes sense. It does say HD on the bag, but didn't expect it to lay this flat or be of good quality. I actually braided my hair before I did this video today, so that's why my braids are probably laying down a lot more flat than usual. I did do some baby hairs on the side, and this is just looking really good. So this is in the natural black color, so I chose that. And this is their body wave unit. So again, this is 24 inches. You got a lot of hair going on here. The hair is extremely soft. I don't want to run my fingers too much through it because the curls are still kind of fresh. And I just put some hairspray in this, but it's just looking really pretty. This is how the hair is looking from the side. This is how the hair is looking from this side. Oh, it has like nice, like romantic curls, I guess. That's how it's looking from this side, and then this is how it's looking from the back. So it's super, super pretty. I feel like a mermaid right now, even though it's not a different color, but it's really, really nice. I think the curls, just the way that it lays down, one of my favorite units so far. I actually did sew in an elastic band so it would kind of just lay flat on my head, and that's really all about that I did for this wig. 24 inches. Hair lays down really, really flat. And now let's go ahead and get into like the actual specs of this wig. Again, this is the cute little box that this comes with. I like the green. This is also in a small cap size, so I chose this specifically for me. So yeah, this is a 13x4 lace front unit, 24 inches, and the density is 200%. So this is a lot of hair that you have going on here. There's a ton. There's a lot. that's what you're working with. Also not too heavy for summertime because I'm in Texas, so the weather is pretty crazy here. So 13 by 4, 24 inches, 200%. This wig is only going to be $361.48 in comparison to other units that have the Undetectable HD lace. Those usually go up to like $450 to $600 these days on different websites. So you're getting a lot. It's very nice. And they also take Afterpay, PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, all that stuff. And yes, this is the natural black. The densities also come in 150%, 180, 200, and also 250. I personally don't like my wigs super thick, so this is perfect for me. And they have the HD melted lace kind of going on here. So yeah, this is really beautiful. I'm surprised that it's this price, under like literally around $350. If you wanted to get the 180% density, which is still a lot, the price would be $348.48. So you're getting a really good deal. I feel like Asteria hair has always had really good lace. I've worked with them since like whenever I used to live in California, and I would always be shocked because I wasn't expecting there to be good lace with this company, but there definitely is. But yeah, that's all I really have to say about this wig. I styled it for y'all on camera, showed you guys how it was before I went in and like did all the good stuff to it. And this is how it's looking. So I hope that you guys liked this hair review. Again, I'm gonna put the direct link to this wig down below, as well as the link to Asteria hair. So be sure to go ahead and check them out. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.